You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with long addition. The final result is 524,673,750. Let's solve it step by step. Rewrite the numbers from top to bottom, aligned by their place values. Add up the digits in each column, from right to left. 0 plus 0 plus 0, equals 0. 9 plus 6 plus 0, equals 15. Carry 1 to the hundreds place. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 8, equals 17. Carry 1 to the thousands place. 1 plus 7 plus 9 plus 6, equals 23. Carry 2 to the 10,000s place. 2 plus 9 plus 8 plus 8, equals 27. Carry 2 to the 100,000s place. 2 plus 1 plus 7 plus 6, equals 16. Carry 1 to the millions place. 1 plus 4 plus 6 plus 3, equals 14. Carry 1 to the 10 millions place. 1 plus 0, equals 2. Write 5 in the 100 millions place. And so the final result is 524,673,750.